In this article, we can find lot of useful insights into the respiratory viral infections related research which might be helpful in understanding COVID-19. For example, this article it can be found as an abstract on PubMed, but the original article can be found on this website. The problem is that this original article is found only in local or particular language. If we go through this abstract, so it talks about TLR4 expression in human alveolar epithelial cells and its role in cellular inflammation, and this experiment has been done along with LPS and cigarette smoke extract, which is very useful because we have seen already that LPS and CSC play very important role in deciding the severity of COVID-19. Next thing is adenoviral infections. The expression of like inflammation in alveolar epithelial cells, and Nestel cystains used during inflammation in alveolar epithelial cells, but this article is not available. The role of FOXP3 cells, CD4 T cells in different conditions, HMGB1, TH17 Tregs, LPS, cigarette smoke extract, uses of ulnastatin during sepsis and inflammation, mesenchymal stem cells used during mitochondrial dysfunction in the airways, TLR7 during influenza A viral infection, unfolded protein response, cigarette smoke, nicotine, impacts of cigarette smoke, nicotine, certain miRNA and their roles, COPD, and usage of naturally available drugs for NF-kappa B related inflammation during different conditions, oxidative stress, periodontitis, propofol uses, traditional medicine for treating respiratory viral infections and COPD, traditional medicine and their effects on influenza virus. This research was done in 2020. Different drugs, TLR7 mediated signaling pathway during influenza virus, comparison with ribavirin, secondary infection after influenza virus, how the traditional drugs can inhibit them, secondary infection to LPS after the influenza, anti-inflammatory properties of different drugs, LQW and its role in inhibiting influenza based bacterial adhesion to respiratory epithelial cells, which is analog to viral infection, and then secondary bacterial infection. This was published in 2021. LQW and its comparison and its usage in COVID-19, acute lung injury, LQW usage, LQW in COVID-19 patients, and comparison with other combination with other drugs. Talking analysis, LQW compositions, comparison with Western medicine, comparison with oseltamivir or influenza, etc. Lot of important references in understanding the mechanism can also be found in this document. These are lot of references, so please go through them when you have time.